what shall I do to become enlightened? Here, this is what you do. Call me in 20 years, tell me how it worked out. To be kind at all times, towards all of life and all of its expressions. Do you need anything more than that? No, because as you are, it begins to change its appearance to you. And what you thought was just a dumb animal, you see, is the radiance of God. I use that word. The radiance of the source of life. One Chinese fortune cookie, if you do it consistently as a way of being in the world, is all that is required. You don't have to read anything, do anything, go anywhere. You just do that as a way of being in the world. So contemplation is owning a reality that alters the way you are with life. To be kind towards all things transforms all of life, is that what it's saying? To see the truth of it, then it shines forth. And you make it your way of life. You make it your way of life. And as you do that, everything around you begins to get transformed. Everything around you seems to change. So that is our wish. That's my present to you for this coming holiday season. Is a Chinese fortune cookie, which has the power to transform all of life.